Well, today we're going to review the DEWALT folding knife, and it was an interesting knife. When I saw it, I said, I'm gonna try this knife out. Let me see what it's about, because most of the knives that I use are from Milwaukee, and so far I have no issue with it. So I said, I'm gonna try the DEWALT knife and see how it goes, and give you my honest review. So yeah, let's stay tuned as I break it down. I like the knife. I think it's a cool knife, well built, well designed. I don't know how it'll hold up over time. The issue I have with the knife is the handle. Handle is very smooth, and it doesn't feel right in your hand. You don't feel like you have good control of it, and I think that's a problem. Because particularly when you're using a knife, you want it to be, you want it to feel very secure in your hand. But this one, the handle seems to feel a little too smooth, even with or without gloves. And I think that's a serious issue. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I recommend it. Probably with wear and tear, the handle will feel a little more better in your hand. But yeah, that's the review of the DEWALT folding knife. And if you want to know what the accent is, well, I'm from Trinidad and Tobago.
Jean Paul! Isn't he the guy who overslept at the Olympics 4 years ago, missed the marathon?
Yeah, that's him.
He's from Trinidad and Tobago,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, he's Trinidadian and Tobagan.